How to buy Charlie token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check this account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 hours ago and increased by 20,000% in the last 24 hours. So this token trending number 1 in the Ethereum section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Uniswap. Now go to Uniswap, connect your wallet. As you can see, now we select the Bitget wallet for that. So after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, what you need to do, if you can see your token here, now go back to this token page on the screener, click here to copy the token address. Now go back to Uniswap, click here and paste the token address in the search bar. But before that, make sure to select the Ethereum as a network. Now, so that's in the search bar. Paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, click on don't show me this, and click on continue. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, the USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap, and a pop-up will be appearing here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Charlie token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.